And number 15, we have an entire thing divided by 2 equals negative 10. So the first step is we're going to get rid of that dividing by 2 by multiplying by 2. Well, we know what divided by 2 is negative 10. That'd have to be negative 20, right? Well, notice when we do this, that negative 2n minus 5 equals negative 20. Right? So we know that negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. So we know that piece up here has to be negative 20, which is what this line shows us. So yes, the first step here, you're not going to move the minus 5 over. You're going to have to get rid of the whole thing being divided by 2 by multiplying by 2 to undo it. Now, move my number over to be with my number. The rest of this should be quite simple. Add 5, I get negative 2n equals negative 15. Right? Divide then by negative 2, divide by negative 2. N equals, a negative divided by negative is positive. If you have $15 and you got to divide it between two people, you're getting 7.5 each, which you can write as 7.5. Or I personally like to write it as a mixed number, 7.5. There's 15. Either way is fine. Now, we could get rid of this dividing by 3 by multiplying by 3. That's possible, and then get rid of the dividing by 2, multiplying by 2. But if you have two fractions equal, I don't know if you remember back in middle school, the butterfly effect. It'll always be true if two fractions are equal, that these multiplied will equal these multiplied. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to say, hey, 3 times that y plus 1 piece has to equal 2 times the y minus 2 piece. And now we're just going to distribute through and solve for y. So I distribute the 3 through, gives me 3y plus 3 equals, distribute the 2 through, 2y minus 4. Now move your variables to one side. So I subtract 2y. Single y plus 3 equals negative 4. Don't forget, pay attention to what's in front. And now I move my 3 over, subtract 3. Y's value is negative 7. Lose 4, then put with a loss of 3, loss 7. Negative 7 would make this true. And if you look at it, if I change that to a negative 7, negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Yep, it works. There's our solution to number 16.